Unit 1 Science and Scientific Phenomena. Lesson theme Facts about Genetics. How are you today? Be ready to the lesson. Today's your lesson objectives. You should answer for the questions about DNA, match the new words with their definitions, and to use these new vocabulary in the sentences. Let's answer for the questions. The first, what is DNA? The second, why is DNA important? The third, what is genetics? The fourth, what are genes? And the last question, what are the chromosomes?
The instructions for building all living things, whether a fish, a bacterium, a tree, an insect, or a person, are found in a molecule called DNA. DNA is made up of 4 tiny building blocks. Each building block has a backbone and a chemical base that is represented by the letter A, C, G, or T. DNA molecules have 2 strands that are joined together through complementary base pairing. A pairs with T, and C pairs with G. These building blocks function together in larger units called genes. Each gene is a set of instructions for building a specific protein. A complete set of genes is called a genome. A genome is a set of instructions for building an entire organism. Every person's genome has the same genes arranged in the same order, but small differences in the sequence of the bases in our genes make each person unique.
You watched this video and check your answers, and now you will study the new vocabulary. Match these new words with their definitions. The new words are: first, molecule; 2, mutation; 3, genome; 4, identical; 5, double helix; 6, genetics; 7, invertebrate. And their definition. Listen and try to match with the new words. First, The complete set of genetic material of a human, animal, plant, or other living thing. Second, the study of how in living things the characteristics and qualities of parents are given to their children by their genes. Third, the simplest unit of chemical substance, usually a group, two or more atoms. Four, an animal with no spine. Fifth, the way in which genes change and produce permanent differences. Sixth, the structure of a DNA molecule. And the last, exactly the same or very similar. Match and try to check. Your task: fill in the gaps with the words from exercise to complete the following sentences. These words are molecule, mutation, genome, identical, double helix, genetics, invertebrate. Please summarize what you have learned about DNA. What is DNA? Why is DNA important? What is genetics? What are genes? And what are the chromosomes? And now, try to make up the beginning of the sentence and express your thoughts either in written form or orally. First, I have learned that. Second, the most interesting moment was. Third, the most difficult thing was. Fourth, I managed to. Fifth, I understood that. Sixth, now I can. And the last, seventh, I felt that. And you can write some sentences if you know about scientific phenomena and interesting genetic things. Write these all sentences in your exercise book.